In this video, I'll show you how to download large files from Google Drive or sync Google Drive to your computer. Let's get started. Open your browser and search for Download Drive for PC. Click on the first result. Click the Download button. Wait for the download to complete. Open your Downloads folder. Double-click the installer. Click Install. Wait for the installation to finish. Click Launch. Click Get Started. Click Sign In. Select your Google Drive account. Click Sign In. Close the tab. Click Skip. Click Next. Click Open Drive. Or search for Google Drive and launch it. Click on My Drive. Copy the folder or file you want to download. Go to the destination folder and paste it. Wait for the transfer process to complete. And that's it. You can now access your Google Drive files from your local computer's File Explorer.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.